Okay, let's start alphabet letters. We have 26 letters A to Z. These letters have names and sounds. اللتر ديت عندنا 26 حرف. اللترز ديت ليها اسم وليها صوت. Let's start with letter A. The name of the letter is A. Focus everyone. A. A. So this is letter A, and A says A. A says A. A, like apple and ant. Apple. And. Shout. افتكر كده ان ال A بيصرخ. Angry دايما كده, like angry apple. Shout and say apple ant. Letter B. B says B. I have a bat and ball. So I say B. I play baseball and say B. Bat, ball, B. Okay. And now we have letter C. And C makes the sound k. C makes the sound k. Like cat and cup. Cat أول ما بتشوف cup يبقى milk فبتبقى فرحانة happy and say cup. Cup. Letter D. D says d. This is the sound of letter D. D. This is what? D. Like dog and dots. This is a dog and these are dots. Okay, E. What is the sound of E? E can't hear well and keep saying I can't hear you. Okay, so E says like egg and elephant. Egg and elephant. Egg, elephant. Okay, E مش بيسمع كويس فبيفضل يقول ايه. Letter F. F says like frog and fish. Frog and fish. Frog, fish. What about letter G? G. G says g. Goat. Goat لما بتاكل من الجراس بتفضل تقول ايه g. Like goat, grass. Goat, grass. So goat, g, grass. What is the sound of H? H says hand, hat. So H says Letter O. كسرة بسيطة كده. I smile and say ink, insect. Okay. Letter J. J says j, like juice and jar. Juice, this is juice and this is a jar. j. في ده في الأول كده. j. Okay. Letter K. K like its name. K. Like king and kite. K. King, kite. L. Like lemon, lollipop. Okay. Letter M. Close your mouth. Close and say man. Monkey. Man. Monkey. Letter N. Like neck. Nose. Neck. Nose. Letter O. Oh. Round your mouth like this. Oh. On, off. On, off. Letter P. Puff of air. P بنطلع هوا كده كأننا بنطفي الشمعة. Puff the candle. Puff. Panda. Puff. لازم يبقى في ايه هوا كده. Letter Q. The name of the letter is Q and the sound is qua. Like queen. Quill. لو طائر السمان نقول عليه ايه؟ Quill. Letter R says اتفقنا your tongue like this. Rope and rat. Letter S, snake and sun. Snake, sun. T, tab, top. Tab, top. Tab, top. Letter U, someone hits me and I said what? So I say حد ضربني كده هقول ايه؟ uncle umbrella. Uncle umbrella. So you make the sound Letter V. V says v, like violet van. Violet van. W says wa, like wind. Yeah, wind. Water. Wa. Letter X says x, like fox box. Fox in a box. Letter Y says yellow yo-yo. Yellow yo-yo. A letter Z makes the sound z, like zoo, zebra. Zoo, zebra. So this is the sound of these letters.